morning. It's, this is Mr. Nyake, and I am coming to teach you how to create a website using your Android phone and alongside your computer. But for now, I do not have my computer with me. I'll start by teaching you how to create a website using your Android phone. You first of all have to download a software or application which is called weebly. 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 You go to Google Play Store, enter to Google Play Store, type in Weebly, Weebly. From there, you can see it. You can see a result, a search result like that. Trying to install it. Try to install it. Weebly. Okay, this one is Weebly by Square, but let us see. Let us see and be sure, because that's a powerful software application, an application which cannot be easily installed. Please, there is difference between software, there is difference between application. A software is a set of instructions saved in the memory of a computer which can accept data, process data, and can produce data for future purpose, while application is a special software, a specific software that is being installed for a specific purpose. That is what we call an application. And now we have installed Weebly, but it's not Weebly by Square, but maybe they have upgraded the application. That's why they have changed the name. Let us see and prove whether it is the application I'm talking about. You go in there, you open it. Wait for it to load. Say accept cookies. Okay, get started. Allow it to load for some time. Get started. Wait for it to load. We want to be sure. Okay, now it has loaded. From this point, you are going to create an account. You are creating this account, your Weebly account, because any website that you will create will be saved in your account and will also be edited in your account, and there is possibility for you to control it because you already have a Weebly account. Now I already have my own account, but for you to know how to use this particular device, you are going to input your name. Let's say Peter. Let's say Peter Benedict. Let's say Peter Benedict. Then let's say Karim. Peter Benedict Karim. You say, okay, Peter Benedict. You input your email address. Remember the first name. If you have a middle name, you can still put it in the first name. Peter Benedict. The last name Karim. Then you create your password. Let's say Mine is brown 10260. Good. My country is Sierra Leone. Automatically, it has picked it up. And make sure you agree. Take a look. I agree to weebly terms and privacy policy. Make sure you check that box, that particular box. After checking the box, you say continue. Now it's going to save your account. It's going to continue. Allow it to load for some time. Okay. After loading, then it's going to ask you what kind of website would you like to create. I just need a website. Let's say you want to create a website, maybe to be to impact knowledge in people, for people to read news, or maybe to show yourself out there, your talent to people. You can say, I just need a website. I need a website with an online store. I need a website with an online store. You can use it to do business online. You can use it to do business online. You have an online store. People will come to you to buy products online. So for now, because of your own level, we are going to start with I just need a website. Now you click it. I just need a website. After clicking the website, a website will automatically load a term, a theme, which is theme. It is this theme that will quickly help you to create. Maybe you want to, for your own level, because you are not too strong in ICT, I want us to start by creating a website using a theme. A theme will be automatically loaded. You don't need to create other things again. You don't need to create styles. You don't need to create sections. You don't need to create divisions. All what you need to know now is to input your content so that your website will look exactly the way you want it. Now you can you can go under the business category. When you go under the business category, it will tell you website. It will give you theme for website, for business website. It will give you theme for business website. This one is a theme. These are all theme. You can select each one. It will open, and when it open, you are only going to replace all those words you see there with your own content the way you want it. Now this is business themes, and we also have what we call portfolio. Portfolio is, let's say, talking about your knowledge, selling out your knowledge, what you have, what you have that people need out there. Include your portfolio. Personal, you can create a website for your own personal affairs. You see, these are the themes for personal website. These are the themes for personal website. You can also come to event. These are themes for event website. Themes for event website. Let's say you want to be uploading new events, new development that you see around. You put them on video that will interest people, or any other images or any other thing. Then this is blog. Blog is like a social media that's try to sell out your ideas. You can blog about a particular idea. You can blog about your business. You can blog about your institution, anything that you want to do blogging. And please, you can even download this what we call a, a dictionary that is called Merriam Webster dictionary. When you download this, it will help you when it comes to terms that you don't understand. We can go under search. When you go under search, let's try to know what is blog. Blog, blog, blog. You see the term is there. Let's see what blog means. Computer, a website that contains online personal reflection, comments, and often hyperlinks, videos, and photographs provided by the writer, that is you yourself. So you can create websites for this purpose. So let's go back to our application, which is the weebly.com. Then you can do your blogging on coming soon to remind people of things, new things, or maybe to tell them maybe there are new videos that are online. You want people to see the latest things online, you go to coming soon. Or you can say order. Maybe you have your own purpose, you want to create your own website, which is order. It has its own themes. So now we are going to use one type, which is the business. Under the business, we can select any one of the themes there, which is, let's say, pathways. Pathways. Now it will ask you to start editing. You go to start editing. Start editing. Okay. Now you have selected your theme. Now you are coming to edit. You see a an account. Google have automatically uploaded this account for you to save it. If it is your own personal phone, you save it. Okay, start making edits to publish and share your site. Now you say edit website. You go to edit website. Now the panel is going to open for you. This is where you are coming to replace things. Replace things. Now let's say on website there are what we call pages, and we on website there are what we call pages, there are what we call themes, and there are what we call previews. And now we are coming to bill. You go to bill. Now when you go under bill for weebly, here you can input. These are tiles, but these tiles are not ordinary tiles. They can use for special purposes. They can be used for special purposes. But first of all, let's see whether we can edit financial freedom. Let's see. Now, financial freedom can be edited. You say edit. After edit, I will delete it and say Pedro technology. Pedro technology. Please, you are all Pedrans because you are computer worms. That's why I have to put it Pedro. You are all Pedrans. Those that are part of my group, I call you a Pedran because you are a computer worm. So you have to be intelligent as a computer worm. Then you can also edit this one. Let our advisor help you reach the goals. Now you can change it to your own. You can say, instead of let our advisor, you can say help improve technology world. Technology world. Then this one is a button, which is a find out more button. You can edit this find and more button. Maybe you have a link. You can write a link. You can if you have a link that has a URL, you must know that that URL stands for Universal Resource Locator. URL. You can set up a URL, Universal Resource Locator. Let's say my own URL, I have a website that I've already created, which I will say um canopy, canopy, or let's say example, for example purpose, let's say www.google google google.com, www.google.com. Okay, you save it. After save it, you can type it, find out more. Okay, you leave it like that. From there, you type the X. After typing the X, or you can even change that find out more. So you can say check me out, check out, check check me out at Google. Google. Okay. Then you say save. Automatically it's going to change. Check me out at Google. Okay. You have changed that link. Now, when you save this particular website, whenever you check that link, it will take you directly to Google. We are going to do that later. Now you can come here to change this image. Edit image. You edit image. You will say allow. After saying allow, because you are using your Google phone, it will take you to images. It will take you to image. Now it's loading. It's loading. By the grace of God, it will be a 20 or 30, 25-minute video quickly. It is loading, please. It has to take some time to load. If it does not load quickly, try to press your back button. Okay, go there again and say replace image. Replace image, sorry. When you go to replace image, now Pedro Tech, I'm going to select my logo, my own logo. Then after selecting that logo, they say replace image with that logo. That image is going to automatically be replaced. Allow it to load. Gentlemen and lady, make sure you have enough top up in your phone. I normally do that. You can even do it cola, by buying cola in the midnight. Let me tell you, it's good to have knowledge at night. In the middle of the night, it's good to gain knowledge. In the middle, you see the image is now being replaced. You can even want to change the background. No sooner you click this background, you will see edit appear. You take edit. From there, you are going to look for a suitable photo. I'm going to put my own picture there. Okay, let's take this picture which Mr. Kota send it for us. Yes, and say next. They say only display. They say done. Now that background is being saved for all pages or only this page. Now the background is coming to change. You see that now it has changed to our own background. So now you can even come and change these words here, but I do not have time now. I just want you to know that it is possible. You see, no sooner you click it, you find out that edit is available. Now from there, we are coming to, let's say we want to use our tiles. You go to build. After using build, you say, let's say slideshow. You put there slideshow. Now you are going to hold on this slideshow, bring it here. You see, it's not an empty tile. The slideshow is going to automatically appear. Now from there, you are going to select your style of your. I'm going to select basic slideshow. Then from there you come to add image. Adding image, you will select this one. You will also select this one. Let's say for example purposes, you also select this one. You come down. Oh, where is my face? uh, that's my church, and that's my church. The people you see there is my church. This is my church. This is my church. I'm a pastor here. These are my colleague pastor. Anyway, I'm not here to tell you much. I'm at my church. Let's go down. Oh, that's my kids. The photo you see there, that's my kid. Mechate preschool. She's just 3 years old. Let's go down. I was cooking. That's me. Uh-huh. I can even put my cooking photo while I was cooking. Is that necessary? Oh yes, it's necessary. Let's for example purpose, and I'm going to put this cassava leaf there also for example purpose, and I'm going to put my kid. Okay, then I'm going to put this guy just for example purpose. Then I say add image. After adding image, after adding image, it's going to load all of those images. Don't worry, don't worry. From here now we are going to publish the website. Whenever you enter that website, good. These are all the photos downloaded. And from there you can okay, you see that? It's coming, it's loading, it's loading. You see, it's loading. That's my cassava leaf. Please don't go too much for my cassava leaf. That's my child, and that's that guy, the guy that I added. Then from there you come again, add images. Oh no, I think you are done. You are done. From there you go back, you just select. Now your slideshow will continue. You see, automatically it will be sliding for you. Then from there you come to you you publish your site. You can now preview. From there, when you preview, it's going to tell you how your when you are using your phone, this is how your website will look like. Now when you are using a computer, you select this is how your website, when you be using your computer to access this website, this is how it will look like. But when you use your phone, this is how it will look like. Then from there you can say publish. Then now it's going to ask you for your domain name. It's going to ask you for your domain name. You give it, say, Pedro w w Pedro 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 Tech. This one, now take note. This one is a subdomain. We have a domain is when we have subdomain. What is a domain? A domain is a name given to a particular site in which you can use to locate the site in the internet. That is a domain. Now the domain, that is the domain, the domain. The sub we have a main domain and we have a subdomain. The main domain can be given to anyone that owns that particular domain. The domain name is the name that locates the address of the website. Now, the main domain is the domain that is owned by the user. The subdomain is the domain which we are going to borrow to use. Now, we are using a subdomain because this is a trial version, and this trial version can extend to 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. But for you to be, when you are premium, you are no more going to be a subdomainer. You will be a main domain. You understand? Instead of for you to be a subdomain, you'll be a main domain. So from there, you select the main domain, this free domain, which is the subdomain. Then you say next. After selecting next, please let's say pedrotech.weebly.com. Take it down, pedrotech.weebly.com. They say done. Good. So now we are going to close this app. From there, remember this is Weebly. I am closing this app. I'm closing all of the apps. Good. Now let us go to Chrome and browse for an input the domain name which is Pedro Tech dot weebly.com. You see that? pedrotech.weebly.com. Now it's coming to take us there. Oh, yes. Now this is your website. It has been created. You see that? Now it's no more in the editing mode. Now let's go. Check me out at Google. Let's go to that link. Check me out at Google. Let's go. You see, it will automatically take you to Google. So ladies and gentlemen, my beloved students in the GTI, this is how to create a website using your Android phone. To continue, you have to join my class at AG Primary School, Samadu. We are going to start on Thursday. Please, if you like this video, just thank me and thank God for having me. God bless you. Bye bye.